How to make money as a student. Are you a student who is struggling financially? Well, this is the perfect video for you. Every year, students struggle with finances, with some even dropping out and opting for a job. Don't worry though, because we have got you covered. Let's talk about how to make money while studying. There are various ways a student can make money while studying. Let's go through them one by one. Number 1, on-campus jobs. You can apply for various on-campus jobs at your college. Though they might not be highly rewarding, these jobs won't affect your college life much and are a natural fit. On-campus jobs include working as a barista, a library or teacher assistant, or a campus ambassador. Number 2, delivery or rideshare driver. Another good option is working as a driver. Work either as a delivery or ride-sharing one. It's up to you. You just need a mode of transportation. 2 popular ride-sharing options are available, Lyft and Uber. You could also apply as a delivery driver for a local restaurant or DoorDash. Number 3, babysitting. Another great option. Are you good with children? Do you have the patience to deal with their tantrums? Then opt for babysitting. Many affluent households will pay generously if you provide a reliable service. There are many platforms where parents list sitter positions, such as ULoop, Sitters in Care, and Sitter City. Number 4, social media influencing. A tricky but advantageous option. We have all seen different influencers rise to the top through social media. However, please note it is challenging and not everyone will succeed. Influencers earn by finding ways to monetize their followings. Social media networks such as Instagram and TikTok are good starting options. Number 5, freelancing. Freelancing is like working for yourself, whereby you complete tasks or gigs for clients. These are usually one-time, quick projects. Freelancing's flexibility works great for students. Freelancing networks include Fiverr and Upwork, where sellers can connect with clients. Are you particularly good at something? Try monetizing it via freelancing. Well, that's a wrap, folks. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button. Happy earning!